Hello everyone, I am Sajal Lunia of class 9 from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Mehta's Vidyalaya. I have designed an app on code.org and hope you like it too. I have named it Chem App as it is based on atoms and molecules. So what we are waiting for? Let's explore it. So just click on Chem App and let's start. Now you see three options which are atom, molecules and fun activities. So first start from atoms. In this there are 8 options. Structure of atoms briefly explains what is atom and its components. Now we will click on back button to now explore on elements. So here I have taken elements from 1 to 20. The first column is of atomic number which tells the atomic number of the elements. The second column is the name of element, and in the third column there is mentioned the symbols of elements. Now we will click on back button to see the atomic theory and models I have explained briefly. So first we will click on the Dalton's atomic theory. So here I have mentioned its main postulates and also added a picture which is related to them. Now we will go to Thomson's atomic theory, where I have also added a picture of pudding pie and also wrote about the atomic model of Thomson. Now we will go on Rutherford's atomic model. So here I have explained the main postulates of Rutherford's and also given a model of Rutherford's atom. Now we will go on Bohr. So here also I have listed some main postulates of Bohr atomic theory and also given a picture which is which divides the electrons into shells. So now we will go to isobars and isotopes. So here I have made 2 boxes so that we can easily differentiate between isotopes and isobars. Last but not the least, I have also mentioned electronic configuration. The formula of electronic configuration is 2n square, through which we can easily find out number of electrons in a shell. So now we will click on back button. Now also click back button. Now in molecule option I have introduced structure of molecule which describe how atom combines together to form molecule for its independent and stable existence everywhere. I have tried to give an image as picture have more impact than reading, and this also makes things more impactful and help us to visualize and clear our concepts. So in the fun and activities I have tried to make it more interesting by creating quizzes and some activities. So now in quizzes we get question on 3 options each. So now the first question is, who discovered electrons? So according to me it's Rutherford. Now we will click on submit and the submit button will tell your answer is wrong or right. So now we will go on next button. And now the question is, what is the formula for mass number of an atom? According to me, it's number of neutrons plus number of protons. Now I will click on submit button to know whether my answer is right or wrong. Hooray, I got it right. So like this, I have made all the games and apps. Now I will click on back button to go back. So now thank you.